Welcome, millionaires, billionaires, and future trillionaires. As always, I am to bring you truth, knowledge, and wisdom to assist you in your journey to crypto. So, guys, you tell me the market is not manipulated. Yesterday, we were heading up toward breakout, toward all-time high, perfectly fine, and all of a sudden, they pull the market down. These are the nice candles we've been looking for. Those are the real movements. As I mentioned before, these are slow movements. And once the market is consolidating, it's going to move within a range, up and down, up and down. But these are the real movement. When you see nice candles like this is what we're about to see once the breakout really starts happening, which I'm expecting any moment, guys. They've already flushed out as many people as they possibly can, guys. So they've already scared a lot of people in the market. This is why I say a lot of people are not going to make it, guys. So it's not easy being in a market like this that's heavily manipulated. So obviously it's because they don't want as much people collecting this wealth as possible. So as I mentioned before, you need someone to guide you in these storms, in these treacherous waters, so you have an idea of what is happening, guys. So as I mentioned before, there's nothing to worry about unless you are day trading, which or leverage trading, which I never recommend to you guys. So as long as you holding good meme coins and you continue DCA every chance you get, the lower the market goes, that's even better, guys. So you get a better chance of buying lower and accumulating more coins. Because remember these words, you will be very, very happy and glad. You will have a big grin on your face once the bull run is really kicking into gear, and once everything is green, once everything's pumping. That's the same emotions I've had in the previous bull run because I kept accumulating, I kept buying, kept holding, and it's a good feeling to have, guys. So, and also this is why I say it's good to have your own projects as well, or at least be part of a project, because a lot of projects are giving up, guys. um, and a lot of projects are not going to be pumping as they should in this bull run because the team is either giving up on it, or they're not pushing as much marketing as they need to. There's only one thing that makes a coin pump, guys. It's marketing. It's money. You need a lot of money to make the coin pump. So as I mentioned before, it's easy to launch a coin. Anyone can launch a coin right now with AI, with applications. It used to be very difficult even 2 years ago. Um, but now it's very simple. You can launch a coin in a matter of a few seconds. But the difficult part, you need a lot of money to push market. That's the only thing that makes a coin pump. That's it, just money. So for you to have success in any project, for you to, let's say if you're launching a project and you want to get to, let's say, at least a few $1 million market cap, you're gonna need at least 50K minimum. 50K. You can probably, with experience, you can get away with starting with 20K, but if you have medium to little experience, you're gonna need at least 50K, because I know when we launched Visionary DeFi, I started with like 25K and we blew through that money within a week, just uh, promoting the project and paying advertising. And even then, that wasn't enough. So, but then at that time, I didn't have much experience anyway. Uh, but now, with all of the experience under our belt, guys, I think all we need is just, I think, a good 50K to start. All we need is to launch the first project, and then the first project will generate more profits, and then it starts snowballing into other projects. But with the plan I have, all we have been waiting for is the breakout to happen and in the market to start pumping. And when that happens, we easily gonna have a few 100K for marketing alone. That's just lowballing it. I'm pretty sure it's going to be a lot higher with the plan I have. So you can kind of see, and with the experience that we have, all these coins is going to straight to $1 billion market caps very, very easily, guys. So that's why I say, be part of these um, projects, get in as early as possible, so you don't miss one of the biggest opportunities of your life, guys. Because um, if you are in other projects, obviously higher cap coins, it's going to be difficult for you. Like I mentioned, Shiba Inu, if you loading up on Shiba Inu, Lunar Classic, XRP, Doge, um, Pepe, you're going to need at least a few hundred K, at least minimum 100K in each of those projects to get to the millionaire. But buying in early in new projects or even before they launch, you don't need that much to get to a millionaire. So um, that's my message to you guys. Is I know a lot of you guys are waiting for launch, which is one of the biggest mistakes you will ever make, especially knowing all the information that you know now. Um, like for instance, I can just watch Dextool and I can watch Radium and get in any project that launched in just a few seconds. This is one of the sniper bots that we have available. So everything's going to be automated, where we're going to program the bot to buy small amounts. So I know we used to watch Dextool, we used to watch Radium. As soon as the coin pump, we try to get in a few seconds within launch. But with the sniper bots, we don't need to be watching the screen all day. We just program the bot, and then it's going to automatically buy for us within a few seconds of launch. So I think that bot's going to make us a lot more money, the sniping bot, than the MEV bot. So we have two of those bots, but all you need is one bot, and then you set up multiple accounts. So that's going to help us during the pump. So first we need profits to load the bots up with good enough. At least what I recommend for the sniping bots, at least start with at least 5K, 5 to 10K, because there's going to be a lot of coins launching. So you want to be able to snipe even